What's up YouTube? Welcome to a continuation of the last story time. This story is about the time I got robbed by drag queens in New Kingston.
Wow, yeah, like when I say I have some stories, boy, yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so as I told you before, like after I came from the comedy show, I'm gonna tell you something. I feel like me they go on good, I'm they kind of flop. I nearly get booed off of the stage. I went home and I couldn't sleep, and I got out of bed like 2:30 in the morning and decided, so yo, Berry, me need for cool off myself. I need to punish myself because of some mistake. I decided so I go and leave off Hope Road, go way into Crossroad where Carib is at 2:30 in the morning. Walk, me decide to make a walk, you know, just because I needed to clear my head because I did not do well in my own estimation. People, me left the yard. I left the yard, me there walk, me take my little time, me walk in my yard clothes, you know, into my hard yard clothes, so slippers, one little sweatpants, one little yard shirt, one little tear right here. So I am walking to Crossroad, 2:30. We can't believe it. 2:30, me I walk. Me cut through Auburn Road, me hit up the little prostitute them. Then me go, me take me in up past Emancipation Park and Pegasus. Me go down to where FedEx the NHT. I go down to where Captain Bakery there. Me pass the KFC. Me think the KFC did a lock up. Alright, they done. Me think me still see some people there at the drive-by. Me go around to where the car theater there, and it's when me reach there now me realize me never really did think this through. It's like me look a sense because I start get tired now, because you know all of the walking is like as much as me did vex, at some point it's like me look out, it's like me walk out the vexation, and it's like me come to my senses and me like
yo, early in the morning, no, you need to go back to your yard.
So me I walk back now, me I walk back to my yard now, me I go back on the same route. I am walking now, come up through Auburn Road now, and I see this a prostitute, a drag queen, he, you know, in the dead there, but it's like when I walk past, I would say like good evening, because you know I have little manners. So when me there walk go down first time, I just say evening, you know, because you know me just, you know, me nice like that. So I was like, you know, so me I come back up now, I was like, me just like night again and I continue to move, because you know me been like look at awkwardness. So then I walk past the first one there, right at the top of Auburn Road at the stoplight. And it's like my crossover now, I realize something did go on like a Pulse MVP, and for Friday. I think it was like a Saturday, I don't remember. So walk past there now where it's like I see some people inside of the venue. But you see right from Pulse, go to like yeah, head towards where the pregnant school there. You know the school them wear the black and white? I realize somebody there for go walk past there, so I know it's like a dark stretch of road. It's like right there, so nobody now walk past. It kinda little, you know, it kind of empty, you know, like it kind of little, you know, it kind of little dry, you know. So when me I walk past now, I say shoot, I see this one person. I never really know if it was a man or a woman at the time, but then I realized it was a man in a woman clothes. So it was a drag queen, I guess, cross dresser. In a little island. When I see the person there, me start get a little nervous now, me start get a little afraid, come here and say,
yo, I go on like, me never really plan for all of this now, with this one person that there now.
Somebody there walk up now, me look a power walk now, say,
yo, just hurry up and reach pregnant school, and then you're gonna shut it up the road. Shut it up the road with the apartment them there.
You see, as me take two little steps, me only see the drag queen turn around to me.
Hey boy!
So me turn around, me I say, I think of me, I talk to some, I continue to walk. So me I walk again, now me only hear the youth again.
Hey boy!
Same way the voice go.
Hey boy!
The fastest I start whisper,
yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
So I start to make me look a walk now, you know, because I am this close to reaching a pregnant school around the corner for just run go up the road. You see, before I could have even go make a power run. People, when I say out of the blue, out of the thin air, 10 drag queen just pop up out of nowhere. It's coming like when ants find little piece of cake on the ground and them just pop up. 10 drag queen just surround sound my body. Them just converge around me. It's like I was one little island and them at the Caribbean Sea. Them just engulf me, encamp it around me like in the Bible talk about the angels them. Them just boy oh boy. All I was hearing, hey boy, and I saw them just a grab and a touch all over my body. But they make for go run off now, you know. Make some make a run off now. And it's like the leader of the drag queen them. It's like me only hear the one there.
Trying about to run, you know, because you can't run faster than Batty.
And this was the leader now. He or she had like one rotted piece of knife, one big long piece of knife now, you know. And I'm like,
Oh shit, oh shit.
and they're just grabbing and pulling and but they're so when me decide to make a run across the road now, same time now and the one that said that now, me say like 2 youth come. So me say the 2 youth them come now, me say, yo, some gangster this I come defend me. When me say the youth them come stand up and look on me realize that the 2 youth them I like the drag queen protector them. They never did they come and help me out. Me think say just to get a youth that just come help out a brother now. Them now come help me out. Them they their side of the drag queen them it's like I'm like what the box foot is this? And so while that I go on I realize say yo Berry, you have some money now. So same time now I say boom bang. I have the wallet. I know say they have like $300 in there. I take the wallet and I just fling it far. I fling it like way down the road as far as I possibly could. And around them time they like 6 of the drag queen them now. Them run and them a fight over the wallet. So I was left like the 3 of them, like the queen, drag queen, and it's like the 2 youth them. The 2 youth them just only I watch them not really I do nothing. So then I run across the road at one time them now. When them go that now, it's like them they go across the road now and then them come with me. And the queen one is like,
Me a go bank with you today now, me a go bank with you today now because if I saw.
and I just remember be like, yo, what is valuable? I had my phone, when me throw away the wallet, I just know so I take my phone and I push it. So when I know I stuck it like in my brief, a good thing I do wear brief today there. I stuck it in my brief now, so I say, okay, I now lose my little phone. And then now, I wonder like, yo, how come in the traffic I go around? It's like them they time it for make sure so when the light up on red, me don't know if them bug the stoplight for make the stoplight now change because it come like say I do want good 10 minutes I'm gonna see a car move. Me not see a car come round. I come round for like go past YMCA part. So then now I say yo, I stay at
The middle of the road now because the car them must start to come. And if the car them come, we just go take one of them foot and just sail go in that car. And that's how I go on to the Berry. And anything, and that's how I go on to them because yo, my cross hungry and miserable right now.
So like when them know and it's like I go there now, one of them like I touch me and I say like, what them they say like, oh come for God bank and stuff like that. I'm like, no, me not the money, me not have none of this and whatever. And then me see the car them start to come around now, and that is when me see them start fear scatter now because it's like people come around now and them start to look and slow down and I wonder say, yo, something now go on. So they were looking at me now. I don't know if they pick up say me a Dirty Berry. I don't know, but they were looking at me now and I realized something now go on. And that's when them kind of scatter off now. And so when them scatter off now, it's like me decide so me just continue along my journey and just walk. And you know, funnily enough, me did feel better. I no longer was concerned about my flop performance on that show. I no longer gave 2 shits about it. I got over it. It's like everything did good now because now me they have the story here that supersede anything. It just like it did take the cake. He took the cake. I can't believe it. Like I go down into Alpha Tree there hours a morning. I don't know why I did I walk Alpha Tree. I just never want in case them follow me. I never know where. I never want them know where me I go. Someone just walk going to Alpha Tree. I know so the 2 youth them follow me. The 2 youth them I turn up there and just watch the drag queen and go. Me like yeah man, me can't follow you. You know like me can't get back the phone for you man. Me know it man. Me can't get you back the phone man. Just link me and whatever. Take me, give me your number and whatever. We can meet up man and me make them give you back your phone man. And really like say me an idiot. Like say I yesterday me ban. Like me a damn idiot. Me know say you and them dinner the dealings. Me know how the little something go. Me know 1 and 2 road code. Me learn little thing. Me can do the little match sometime too. Gosh, that was it. I had a good rest after that. I woke up and I had that story. And I'm sharing it right now with y'all. And after me start tell friends, I realize say holy but people get robbed. Come the see all company news too. Say holy for them they get robbed from right at a little spot there in New Kingston. Like around where MVP pulls the like the way the little part there across from Harbour Road is was holy. That is it, people. If you enjoyed this story time, make sure that you hit the like button down below. Please, man, like the like button. Hit the like button. Don't watch the video and don't comment. Comment, let me know what was your favorite part of the story. I want to hear from you people. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I like when you subscribe. Take care. Until next time.